Next up for my shout out, I got Southern Coast Air Conditioning, Plumbing, and Electric. What I love about what they're doing is their branding. Their brand is very relevant for what they do and the market they serve, which I just know that's going to draw people to them, right? And it's relevant. You got an HVAC fan, a palm tree, South Florida. It fits the market well. So great work there. The other thing that they do really cool is the giving back page. You could tell their community efforts are at the forefront of what the business is doing. They even have a call to action. Where is that? There. They have a call to action. Join us in giving back. These are these little things that you can do that help you become more sticky in your community because it's about having a positive experience, a positive impact in the area you serve. This stuff right here is gonna work and it's gonna help push the brand further, create more visibility, and when paired with a quality digital marketing strategy, you can see more leads coming from your website by just simply being involved in your community and setting out to have a positive impact. Great job, Southern Coast. This was really cool to see, and I really enjoyed digging in and finding some cool stuff that you guys are doing. Hey, I'm going to continue to do these. So if you have anybody, any companies that you say, hey, I think they're doing a phenomenal job, hey, DM me, comment. I'd love to have some conversation around all the cool stuff that some of these businesses are doing in their community. Later.